Did you realize there's a secret weapon that can revolutionize your business this year? I've just discovered it and I must admit it's blown my mind. Today we're diving into a new AI tool that's about to transform your business and change how you source products forever. Now stick around because what I'm about to reveal from the new video, Discover the Ultimate E-Commerce Sourcing Guide from I Am Paul James YouTube channel, could actually be the key to boosting your online success. So without further ado, let's play the video.
Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock the secrets to e-commerce sourcing, and I'm going to give you everything that you need to do to simplify this strategy. Now, this is for those of you that want to get started selling stuff online. This is perfect for doing TikTok shop, and you may have seen in some of my other videos some really powerful strategies for actually driving traffic. But today, I want to talk about sourcing, and this is why I thought about making this video. So there was an event, a live stream event that happened that I was watching, and it was from Alibaba.com. It was their live stream 2024 event, and I was blown away by some of the new features that Alibaba.com is actually introducing to the marketplace that I think is going to be a game changer for TikTok shop.
So if you didn't get that, what Alibaba are doing is they're bringing out a new AI sourcing tool for e-commerce merchants to actually use to find products. It's absolutely groundbreaking and I can't wait to use it. I'm going to show you how to sign up later on in the video.
Also, somewhere in this video, I'm going to give you a surprise, so make sure you watch all the way through because you're not going to want to miss out on what that is. Okay, so one of the features that I am most excited about, that I learned about during this virtual event, is the AI sourcing agent. Now, the AI sourcing agent is going to let you get inspired by different ideas using AI. So for example, we could punch in something like, give me some ideas of earbuds. I'm gonna click high volume, low barrier and click apply. Now, as you can see, we can discover all of the product opportunities with a niche score. We know how much per price it's gonna be, the monthly search volume, and we can go and then click through, check out different retail sales trends.
So I'm just going to pause the video here because what it allows you to do, it allows you to use this new AI sourcing tool like an LLM. So it's as if you're actually chatting to a friend. You can type in something, a product you're actually looking for, and it's just like talking to a friend. It's absolutely madness.
And then source similar products right from within the AI sourcing agent. Now, just like that, we're presented with some different options. We can go and then send inquiries right to the vendor. Then we can source the product with using AI so that everything is done super seamlessly.
So can you see how this works? It's similar to using Alibaba. It's just you've got added help. You've got added help from AI in order to find the products you need. And right within their AI system, you can actually get in contact with the supplier direct. It's fantastic.
So they've got product inspiration, which is going to help people understand the social media and global retail data in detail. And this is going to make it easier for everyone to make smart choices. They've got a smart search feature, which is basically a highly summarized version of industry knowledge that is going to pop out on the right side. They've got a match your supplier feature, which is an AI intelligent comparison that allows you to see the bigger picture of everything, and it's going to generate quick notes.
As you can see, the new comparison tool is absolutely phenomenal. I know there's lots of tools where you can actually do this, but to actually have this feature within this new AI tool is absolutely phenomenal. And I can see so many people using this.
Notes and summarize the advantages and disadvantages of different options.
Now, guys, if you want to get access to this, you need to type in buyeragent.alibaba.com/join, and then all you need to do, I've already signed up for this. I haven't been accepted yet, but hopefully I'll be accepted soon. All you need to do is click join waitlist, and then what Alibaba will do is they'll email you once they provide access, and then you can have a play with it. Now let's talk about why it matters for you, the e-com seller. You'll save a ton of time with increased sourcing efficiency. Navigating the global sourcing landscape becomes a breeze. And if you're just starting out, you'll discover winning products so much faster. And you'll also have access to a huge network of diverse suppliers worldwide. So guys, if you're as excited as I am about this new feature, please give us a thumbs up on the video. But now buckle up, because we're not done yet. Up next, I'm about to drop some hard truths about welcome discount codes. If you've ever wondered if these discounts might actually be hurting your business, well, you're about to find out. Stay tuned as we dive deep into Shopify welcome discounts, the shocking truth. And trust me, what you're about to learn in this video will completely change your mind about how you look at welcome discount codes on your website. See you in the next video.